One wrong step, and your peaceful hike could turn into a nightmare. Lost, injured, unprepared. But that won't be you, if you follow what I'm about to show you. Hey everyone, this is Do It Right, where I help you do things safely, smartly, and without regret. Today we're talking about how to start hiking safely, whether you're a complete beginner or just want to avoid common mistakes. Step 1. Plan before you go. Research the trail, distance, difficulty, weather. Before you go hiking, it's important to learn about the trail. Check the distance to see how long the walk is, so you can plan your time and energy. Look at the difficulty level. Some trails are easy and flat, while others are steep, rocky, or very long, so choose one that matches your fitness and experience. Also, always check the weather forecast before you go. Rain, strong winds, or storms can make hiking dangerous. Knowing these things will help you stay safe and enjoy your hike. Before you go hiking, it's a good idea to check recent reviews or comments from people who have recently visited the trail. You can find these on websites or apps like AllTrails, Google Maps, or hiking forums. These reviews often tell you if the trail is muddy, blocked, damaged, or hard to follow. You might also learn if there are any wild animals, closed paths, or dangerous spots. Sometimes, the trail might look easy on the map, but be hard in real life. Reviews can help you know what to expect. Reading what others say helps you prepare better and avoid surprises. Before you go hiking, it's smart to download offline maps using apps like AllTrails, Maps.me, or Gaia GPS. These maps will still work, even if you don't have internet or mobile signal in the mountains or forest. Also, always tell someone your hiking plan. Let a friend or family member know where you're going, when you're going, and who you're going with. This way, if something goes wrong and you don't come back on time, they can help or call for help. Many people who get lost didn't share their plans or didn't prepare properly, so don't make that mistake. Stay safe by planning ahead. Step 2. Pack smart. Essentials. You need, when you go hiking, always bring important gear that could help you if something goes wrong. You need navigation tools like a map, compass, or GPS to know where you are. Carry at least 2 liters of water and snacks for energy. A first aid kit is essential for minor injuries, and a flashlight or headlamp will help you see if you're out after dark. A whistle, 3 short blasts means you need help, is good for emergencies. Bring a fire starter or lighter to make a fire if needed. An emergency blanket or lightweight tarp can keep you warm if you're stuck. A knife or multi-tool is useful for all sorts of tasks, and a power bank keeps your phone charged in case you need it for help. Even if it's a short hike, not having these things can put you in danger, which is why it's important to be prepared. Step 3. Dress for safety. When hiking, avoid wearing jeans or cotton because they get wet easily and stay wet, which can make you cold and uncomfortable. Instead, wear layers. A base layer to keep sweat off, an insulating layer for warmth, and a waterproof shell to protect you from rain. Choose hiking boots or trail shoes that are comfortable and provide good support for walking on rough paths. Don't forget a hat to protect your face from the sun, sunglasses for eye protection, and sunscreen to prevent sunburn. Being comfortable means you can focus on enjoying the hike, and it helps avoid problems like blisters or getting too cold or hot. Step 4. On the trail, stay safe. While hiking, always stay on marked trails to avoid getting lost. Look out for trail markers to guide you along the path. Take regular breaks to rest and drink water to stay hydrated. Don't try to chase animals or take risky selfies, as this can lead to accidents. If the weather turns bad, or if you're feeling too tired, it's best to turn back and save the hike for another day. Remember, the mountain will still be there when you're ready, and it's safer to return than to keep going in dangerous conditions. What if you get lost? If you get lost, stop right away and try not to panic. Use a whistle with 3 short blasts to signal for help. Stay where you are because it's easier for rescuers to find you if you don't move around. If you have something bright, like a jacket or a tarp, use it to signal so others can see you. If you really need to move, leave signs like arrows made from sticks or rocks to show which way you went. Hiking can be life-changing, peaceful, powerful, and unforgettable. But only if you're prepared. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe for more guides on staying safe and doing things the smart way, so you never look back with regret. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next one.